Morning children. Today we will do the exercise of this chapter. First question is choose the right option to complete these sentences. First is people like Jhalkari because as we have read in the chapter that she was very brave, and so the answer is she worked hard in a cheerful way. Next is Jhalkari had fought the leopard. We have read also that she had fought the leopard with just a wooden stick. So answer is with just a thick stick. The British entered the fort through a gap in the outer walls. Now the next question is read these sentences and write what kind of sentence each is. You have to write the type of sentence. It's a simple sentence. I do not like to see people fighting. So answer is assertive. Second is it's understood. There is a question mark in the end of sentence. So it's interrogative. Do you like to ride a horse? Interrogative sentence. Oh, if only I could have seen the Rani. There is a sign of exclamation. So obviously the sentence is exclamatory. The Rani is loved by all her subjects. It's also a simple sentence. So the answer is assertive. The next is the Englishman wants to see the prisoner. Assertive sentence. Leave this fort immediately. There is no subject in this sentence. So the answer is imperative. Next question is complete these sentences with suitable prepositions. We have to fill the correct prepositions. The Sands have been living in that house dash 2008 since. When there is fixed year we have to use since, otherwise we will use for. The children jumped into the swimming pool to cool off. The next is there is a big calendar shrub in their garden. Chiaro has to report for duty on Wednesday. Inside the cupboard, we find all kinds of odds and ends. The scared and shivering kitten was hidden in the basket. Mahmood walked to school every day. Minnie refused to go home till she found her notebook. Manpreet had to meet the lawyer between 3 pm and 4 pm. When there is comparison between two things, we have to use preposition between. We will be going to Bali in August. So, in the same way, we have to fill the next paragraph. Complete this paragraph with suitable prepositions. The next question is use negative prefixes to form the antonyms. There is a word given in the bracket and we have to write the antonym, negative antonym of the word. The first is she did not get any support from us as she had said some dash things. The word is agreeable, answer will be disagreeable. Second is it is an complete statement because it makes no sense. So opposite of complete will be incomplete. The next is the logical solution to the problems annoyed the teacher. Opposite of logical, illogical. Next is there was sufficient money to fund the project. Opposite of sufficient, insufficient. And the next is my baby sister gave me one of those resistible smiles and I just had to agree. Resistible, opposite is irresistible. The next is scientific, answer will be unscientific. Fear of snakes had resulted in the extinction of many beautiful species. And the last question is correct, choose the right phrasal verbs. We have to choose, there are two phrasal verbs, we have to write the correct phrasal verb. First is as I moved to a different city, my friend and I grew apart. Next is Shaheen won the debate competition and it took some time for the news to sink on. He has grown out of his clothes. Or Haman grew up on storybooks and games. The last question is look up, settle down, walk up, see to, buck up, slow down. We have to use these verbs with these phrases. So we have to do all these exercises in your book. Okay, have a nice day.